You made it to day 3. And that tells me something powerful about you. You're not here to try, you're here to grow. Every time you show up, even for just a few minutes, you're planting the seeds of fluency. So let's water those seeds with 5 more words and 5 more reasons to believe in yourself. Let's begin. The first word today is motivate. To motivate means to give someone a reason to do something. Repeat after me. I motivate myself to practice English every day. One more time. I motivate myself to practice English every day. Nice and steady. The second word is progress. Progress means forward movement, growth. Say this with me. Even small steps bring big progress. Again, even small steps bring big progress. You're doing great. The third word is practice. Practice means doing something again and again to improve. Repeat after me. My English gets better with daily practice. One more time. My English gets better with daily practice. Let's keep going. The fourth word is confuse. To confuse means to make someone uncertain or unsure. Say it with me. Don't let mistakes confuse you. They help you learn. Again, don't let mistakes confuse you. They help you learn. You're speaking with clarity now. The fifth and final word today is achieve. To achieve means to successfully reach a goal. Say this out loud. If I stay focused, I can achieve fluency. Again, if I stay focused, I can achieve fluency. Now pause. Notice how your voice is more confident, how your rhythm is smoother. That's what happens when you show up. That's what happens when you speak. You're not just learning English, you're living it. And I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Until then, remember, the words you speak today become the fluency you live tomorrow.